सही। किसको बताएंगे जुदाई का सबब हम, किसको बताएंगे जुदाई का सबब हम, किसको बताएंगे, किसको बताएंगे, 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 किसको बताएंगे जुदाई का सबब हम, किसको बताएंगे जुदाई का सबब हम। तू मुझसे खफा है तो ज़माने के लिए रंजिशी सही। तू मुझसे खफा है तो ज़माने के लिए रंजिशी सही। दिल ही दुखाने के लिए रंजिशी सही। कुछ तो मेरे बिन तारी मोहब्बत का भरम रख, कुछ तो मेरे बिन तारी मोहब्बत का भरम रख, कुछ तो कुछ तो कुछ तो मेरे बिन तारी मोहब्बत का भरम रख, कुछ तो मेरे बिन तारी मोहब्बत का भरम रख। तू ही तो कभी मुझको मनाने के लिए रंजिशी सही। तू भी तो कभी मुझको मनाने के लिए रंजिशी सही। दिल ही दुखाने के लिए रंजिशी सही। माना माना के मोहब्बत का छुपाना है मोहब्बत, माना के मोहब्बत का छुपाना है मोहब्बत। माना 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 के मोहब्बत का छुपाना है मोहब्बत, माना के मोहब्बत का छुपाना है मोहब्बत। जैसे सही चुपके से किसी रोज जगाने के लिए जैसे सही दिल ही दुखाने के लिए जैसे सही दिल ही दुखाने के लिए जैसे सही जैसे जैसे तुम्हें आते हैं न आने के बहाने जैसे तुम्हें आते हैं न आने के बहाने जैसे 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 वो जैसे जैसे तुम्हें आते हैं न आने के बहाने जैसे तुम्हें आते हैं न आने के बहाने ऐसे ही किसी रोज न जाने ये ऐसे ही किसी रोज न जाने के लिए जैसे सही यही दुखाने के लिए छोड़ के जाने के लिए जैसे सही दिल ही दुखाने के लिए जैसे सही
बहुत खूबसूरत क्या गज़ल गाई उन्होंने दिल को छू जाती है हमेशा वही अंदाज गाने का इनका वंडरफुल रेंडिशन गज़ल बाय दिलीप साहब वेरी वंडरफुल। इस पर एक और जस्ट टू ब्रिंग इट टू द लाइटर साइड इसका इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि आजा किसी बहाने से आजा। उस पर एक शेर था ये कि मेरे महबूब ने मिलने का वादा किया है 5वें दिन का मेरे महबूब ने मिलने का वादा किया है 5वें दिन का किसी से सुन लिया होगा कि दुनिया 4 दिन की है। हमारे आज शाम के गीत पेशकश जो है वो निदा फाजी साहब का कलाम है। निदा फाजी साहब दिल्ली और ग्वालियर से पढ़े थे और आपने अपना काफ़ी कलाम दोहे और गीत के रूप में लिखा है। आप बॉस्टन में कई बार मुशायरों में हमारे आ चुके हैं और जगजीत सिंह साहब ने इनकी बहुत सारी गज़लें गाई हैं। निदा फाजी साहब की गज़लें इनके कुछ शेर मैं पेश करता हूँ आपको। बहुत गहरे और अच्छे सादे जिस दोहे गीत होते हैं वैसे शेर इनके हैं और बड़ा अच्छा शेर मुझे बड़ा पसंद है। घर से मस्जिद है बहुत दूर चलो यूं कर लें घर से मस्जिद है बहुत दूर चलो यूं कर लें किसी रोते हुए बच्चे को आज हंसाया जाए किसी रोते हुए बच्चे को आज हंसाया जाए। हम सफ़र कोई तो हो वक्त के वीराने में हम सफ़र कोई तो हो वक्त के वीराने में सूनी आँखों में कोई ख्वाब सजाया जाए सूनी आँखों में कोई ख्वाब सजाया जाए। जो आज गज़ल आपके सामने होगी इसके बोल हैं होश वालों को खबर क्या दिल की क्या चीज़ है। और इसका एक और शेर मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, हम लबों से कह ना पाए उनसे हाल दिल मगर, हम लबों से कह ना पाए उनसे हाल दिल कभी, और वो समझे नहीं खामोशी क्या चीज़ है। आइए रागिनी की सुरीली आवाज़ में सुनते हैं, होश वालों को खबर क्या, दिल की क्या चीज़ है।
So before I begin, if you've seen the movie Sarfarosh, the song is from the movie Sarfarosh. There's a cheesy sher, but I'll share it anyway. It goes, कुछ होश नहीं रहता, कुछ ध्यान नहीं रहता, इंसान मोहब्बत में इंसान नहीं रहता।
Thank you.
Awesome singing. For our next item, मैं अमल जावा से दरख्वास्त करता हूँ कि आके हमारे अगले गेस्ट को बुलाएं और स्टेज पे और उनसे आगे प्रोग्राम बढ़ाएं. अमल जावा.
Thank you, Ali Bhai. I would like to introduce on stage one of our chief guests, Mrs. Ranjini Sehgal. Would you please come on the stage? Ranjini ji, I think everybody knows her. I don't even have to introduce, but I'll still do the formality. I know the formality. So Ranjini ji is India's New England Women of the Year for 2012, and is, I think she really deserves it. She is a senior educational technologist at the MIT, Mass Institute of Technology in Cambridge, and I think they were on lockdown when they had the shooting. She's a co-founder of Lokvani, which I think all of us love, and I think our show became a success because of Lokvani. Thank you so much. She's also the co-chair of TIE Social Entrepreneurship Group, and she served on the board of the MIT Heritage of the Art Society, MITHAS, and is a classically trained dancer. She's so talented and has been teaching Bharatnatyam at her dance school for 20 years. Her support and encouragement was one of the motivators for Shami Leher, and I really thank her for motivating us. Let's give Ranjini ji a warm welcome.
मूखं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लंघयति गिरिं यत्कृपा तमहं वन्दे परमानन्दं माधवम्. The verse says that with the blessings of Madhava, the people who are speech impaired can conduct discourses. Those without limbs can climb mountains. But it is only with the blessings of Shankara that those who cannot see can see the world. The great Lord Shankara has come through this great Shankara Foundation to bring sight to so many that have preventable blindness in India. This organization has been inspired, of course, by the great Adi Shankara himself, who is known to have enlightened people and thus opened the third eye. But before you can get to that third eye, to learn to see the world, you do need the other two. And thanks to Shankara, so many are able to see the world. As many of you may know, India has the largest number of cases of preventable blindness. And Shankara is one of the organizations that, with a very big heart, came to try to handle this issue. But they did it in a manner that is scalable and sustainable. They started in a small way with the vision and passion to remove blindness completely from India in 2020. When I looked at the statistics, In 1998, they performed 8,000 surgeries. But in 2009, they performed 105,000 surgeries. Absolutely. Where do you find an organization that can scale an order of magnitude within just 10 years? It is that kind of vision and mission that India is blessed to have from the Shankara Eye Foundation. And of course, they cannot do that themselves. They need the support, they have the talent, they have the vision, they have the mission, but they need a little push from the rest of us, and it's the least we can do today to just open our checkbooks or take out cash, whichever cash is acceptable to, and present just $30. For $30, you can open the eyes of a young child or a grown person so that they can see the world in the beautiful colors that you see on the stage today. You know, one of the greatest honors for me as a dance teacher and participating in the community a lot is that I get to meet wonderful children. Like this beautiful Kriti Nathan who was sitting next to me, Miss Teen USA, New England. Can you give her a warm round of applause? And of course, it is this that made me encounter once Ragini Java. I was at an IAGB program when outside I suddenly saw this Shankara Foundation. There was a tent that said Shankara Foundation on it, and I'm very interested in this cause, so I went towards it. And there was a 7th grader there saying, "Oh, please come, auntie, we are going to cure blindness." And I said, 7th grader doing this? And when I started to talk to her, I couldn't believe how passionate, how sincere, how articulate she was about the cause, and she convinced quite a few people out there to not only open their checkbooks, but really made great awareness for this cause of Shankara. You know, there's a famous saying by Thiruvaruluvar in Tamil, which says, "Mahan tandakkatum mudavi ivan tandai ennotan kol enum shol." For those of you who don't know Tamil, yes, it's a great saying. It means the greatest kind of kids are those who always make you wonder, who are the great parents who delivered this kid? And Ragini was one such. So I went out on a search. I said, who is the parent that delivered this kid? And then that brought me to Parashakti, Kamal Jawar or Amal Jawar, right here. And I learned what powerful, what passionate, what compassionate woman she was. So taking the vision from Ragini's father and the strength from her mother, this entire family has been working towards making this cause of blindness go away. And it's really my honor and pleasure to be in front of this august audience that includes great people like Dr. Sanjeev Chopra in our audience. Can you please give him a warm round of applause? Such a great man, and his wonderful wife, Dr. Mrs. Chopra as well. Here we are trying to come together to solve this problem, and I think we will, because we have such positive energy here in this show today. And really, as I'm a dance teacher, and people, when they bring their dance students to me, they often go, we're working very hard. Classical arts are very difficult. You have to really put your sweat and blood. Like she said, for 8 years she suffered. You have to suffer for your entire life, but the sweetness at the end of the suffering is very beautiful. And they ask me, what is the point? Because everybody wants to be a doctor anyway, right? So why learn dance? And I tell them, the greatest, even I gave it up when I went to engineering school at IIT. I didn't have time to really pursue it, but it came back to me. It is an addiction, it's an addiction that is greater than any intoxicant that you can have in the world, is the arts. And what better way to use the arts than to bring about a change in the world of the underprivileged. So thank you for bringing this beautiful music here. Yes, please give a warm round of applause for that. As I was sitting here, I was reminded of the great words from Shelley. It said, "We look before and after and pine for what is not. Our sincerest laughter with some pain is fraught. Our sweetest songs are those of our saddest thoughts." Ghazals are often in that category because they're so sweet, sometimes with sad thoughts. But that sweet music, I'm sure, has touched all our hearts and made our hearts blossom and enlarged it so that it allows you to reach into your pocket and bring out that check and write out a check so that not only 100 but thousands of eyes will be open forever. May Lord Shankara, Jai Jai Shankara. Thank you very much. It's my great honor now to introduce the next act. This is by the Raganjali School of Music. Founded in 2003, Raganjali School of Music continues to provide quality education and in-depth vocal training in North Indian classical music, popularly known as Hindustani music. Raganjali offers semester-based classroom learning and ongoing enrichment programs and is continuously working to become a leading regional resource for education, training, awareness and appreciation of Hindustani music in the New England area. Today, this school is going to present a very beautiful bhajan. The performers include Divya Bhava, who is an 8th grader who has been learning for 7 years, Shaurik Chaudhary, a 6th grader and a student since he was 4.5 years old. Oh, how sweet. Ashwin Panda is a sophomore in high school and has been learning since the age of 5, and he's been taught by he learned first from his paternal grandfather, Shri B.C. Panda, and as well as his mother, Swati Panda. Please give her a warm round of applause because she is the director of the Raganjali School of Music. We also have Sonali Razdan, a sophomore at Shrewsbury High School and who has been learning for 5 years. The bhajan is very interesting. It says, Darasa bina dukhan lage nain. Even if you have eyes, those eyes will start hurting if you do not have the vision of the Divine One. What a beautiful bhajan, and we'll hear it from the Raganjali School of Music.